Umhlangano weAfrican Union Uphothuliwe eAddis Ababa, Ethopia, izolo. Okuqhakambe kakhulu kulomhlangano ukuqokwa kweNingizimu Afrika njengosihlalo womkhandlu obhekelele ezokuphepha nokuthula kwi-AU. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ubhekene nengqinamba enkulu njengoba kumele aqinisekise ukuphepha ezwenikazi.
We were able to report on the various conflicts that are taking place on the continent. Of course, we started off with a great success in relation to Ethiopia, where there was a settlement in South Africa facilitated by President Obasanjo, President Kenyatta, and our own former Deputy President Phumzile Mlambo-Ngcuka, where we were able to get the government of Ethiopia and the Tigray Liberation Front to agree on a cessation of hostilities and to start working on peace. We're rather pleased to know and notice that peace is descending on Ethiopia, so that was a huge accolade that we paid to the key leaders who have been involved.